Today's video is going to feature some clever short hair ideas. First up, we have this gorgeous hair color transformation. So she does start off with like a shoulder length bob here, grown out colored hair, and the stylist of course does do a color change. So she ended up going with this beautiful kind of blonde angled bob. The hair is absolutely gorgeous. That color is kind of almost platinum. It's very bright and vibrant blonde, gorgeous. So then we move into the next transformation. So she is of course going to be getting a bob with this next one. Ooh, beautiful neck length angled bob, longer bangs in the front, gorgeous. Then we see a slight bob switch up, so it looks like she ended up getting highlights with this one, a little bit of a trim. And then we move into another major bob transformation. So she did end up getting some slight highlights with this one, but this is a beautiful lob. It is on the longer side, this particular bob. Beautiful mid part. The highlights came out gorgeous. Oh, so she went through a major change. She had the split dye trend at first, and then she went with this all brunette color. Such a classic bob. It's like she grew up with that hair transformation. Gorgeous. For me personally, I love a good bold color combination, as you guys know, but sometimes you want to go back to the basics and just kind of keep things simple and fresh, and I love this hair change. So moving on, looks like another bob. So the stylist is using the razor for this cut. Very nice classic shape with that one. Came to about neck length or so. And then this particular transformation looks like she's going to be getting bangs. Nice layers added. Then we move more into a bob transformation. So I'm guessing that is some type of shearing technique to remove some of the bulk of the hair. Beautiful structured kind of shoulder length bob. Then we see another bob transformation. I didn't realize how many bobs I actually had featured in this video until now. So if you were looking for pixies, I do apologize. I do have other pixie inspired videos throughout the channel, so check those out for more hair ideas. Love the movement that she was able to achieve with this bob cut. The stylist did a wonderful job. So it looks like she ended up getting slight highlights with that as well. Gorgeous. Alright you guys, so that is going to be it for this video. We leave you with this last transformation. I hope that you enjoyed watching these video hair clips with me. If you did, be sure to give this video a like, comment, rate, and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.